Hello amazing people, Eric Were here. Welcome again to another brand new video on LifeVersity, and in this video I'm going to share with you 7 ways to invest in yourself during this pandemic. As they say, you are your greatest investment. You can either be an asset or a liability to yourself. It all depends on how much you invest in yourself. If you focus on improving yourself and creating the best version of yourself, you will definitely be a great asset to yourself. On the other hand, if you ignore personal development, you will always lag behind in life. In this video, I'm going to disclose to you how to become an asset to yourself by investing in the one most important assets, that's yourself. I will reveal to you the 7 ways to invest in yourself during this pandemic. By the way, if you are new on LifeVersity, hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell in order to be notified whenever I post another brand new video like this one. Here are the 7 ways to invest in yourself. Number 1, your health. There are 3 main essentials in the life of any human being. These are health, wealth, and wisdom. As you can see, your health comes as a top priority. You will never be motivated to give your best in life if your health is poor. A healthy body, mind, and spirit will accelerate your progress in life. Here are some of the ways you can invest in your health. 1. Exercise at least 3 times in a week. Go to the swimming pool, ride that bicycle, go to the gym for at least 1 hour. There are many things you can do to keep your body in good shape. If you do not have access to a gym, a swimming pool, or a bicycle, do simple body exercises. Personally, I do exercise immediately I jump out of bed. I do approximately 1000 press-ups in a day to keep my body in great shape. Sit-ups are also great. I also jog or run around the house or the estate to kickstart my day in high gear. What's more, before the end of the day, I do some weight lifting in the house. Instead of going to the gym, I decided to invest in a few dumbbells. Having a set of weights, bars, and benches in your house will make it easier for you to exercise whenever you need to. Start investing in buying weights, bars, and some benches. It is a wise life investment. You may even end up having a full gym and charging people to exercise in your gym. It is a stable side hustle, if you may ask me, and I'm planning on buying more weights, more bars, and benches in order for me to create a gym and start charging people to simply exercise in my gym. Investment number 2, knowledge. As I said earlier, health, wealth, and wisdom are all that matters in life. Before attaining wisdom, you need knowledge. As they say, wisdom is simply the ability to put knowledge into action, or the ability to apply knowledge in solving real life problems. And knowledge comes from 2 main sources: people and books. Ben Carson wrote a book called Think Big. To me, the big, that is BIG, stands for B stands for books, I individuals, those are mentors, and G for goals. Invest your time in mentors, look out for mentors, and treasure their insight. Secondly, invest in books. As you study personal development books, your mind will expand and grow in a great way. There are many benefits of reading books. Here are some of the benefits. Reading books reduces stress, it improves knowledge, it increases your vocabulary, it improves memory, it improves writing. It is a form of entertainment, especially now that you have plenty of time. Instead of watching television, you can read books and improve your memory and your vocabulary and your knowledge. Reading books also improves focus. Those are some of the few benefits of reading books. An average chief executive officer reads at least 1 book per week. Remember, you are the CEO of your life. You need to start reading at least 1 book per month starting today if you are looking to produce incredible results in the future after this pandemic and even during this pandemic. Finally, set goals and plan to smash them. This is the only secret to investing in yourself. Investment number 3, get adequate sleep. We used to sing a song called "Early to bed and early to rise makes someone healthy and wealthy and wise." I've come to prove the validity of this song in my life. In order to produce at your highest level, you need at least 8 hours of sound sleep. Instead of watching news, TV shows or movies up to late in the night, why not go to bed early in order to wake up early and exercise? Going to bed late is one of the habits I had to unlearn. If I can unlearn any habit, you can definitely do it better than me. I believe that. Go to bed as early as 9 p.m. and get up as early as 5 a.m. Going to bed early gives you adequate time to rest in order to wake up early. If you want to cultivate the habit of waking up early, ensure you don't eat late. You set an alarm, you plan your morning routine the night before, and then you drink some milk before going to bed, and then lastly you relax, meditate and take your time before going to bed. Investment number 4, a healthy diet. Our bodies are a reflection of the food we eat. Unhealthy eating habits produce poor health. Ensure you consume a balanced diet all day long. Avoid junk food like plague. As they say, to remain healthy, eat breakfast like a king and dinner like a beggar. Eat your dinner as early as 6 p.m. to allow your body time to digest before heading to bed. Lastly, drink lots of water, at least 6 glasses in a single day. If you follow these guidelines, your body will blossom forever like a flower. Investment number 5, money management. As stated earlier, apart from health and wisdom, wealth is also vital in life. You don't want to live in lack and scarcity. I always like to remind people that they are children of God. God didn't create you to live in lack and scarcity. God didn't create you to barely exist. If you believe that God gave up his only son, Jesus, to die for you at the cross as payment for all your sins, then you should be living a life of victory, not mediocrity. Investing is one of the keys to living a life of victory and abundance. How will you help other people if you are barely existing yourself? How will you reach out to those street children without supplies to replenish them? You need to discover different ways to create money when you need it. God has given you the brain. He has given you all the resources you need. The only thing remaining is for you to open your eyes and your mind and take action. Here at LifeVersity, our mission is to help you create a life of abundance. We guide you on different ways to create a life of abundance by teaching you the available ways to generate extra income. And the most important thing, we mentor you on how you can make yourself an asset, how to invest in yourself in order to create resources whenever you need them, in order to create money whenever you need money. We are here to hold your hand. That is why, if you are new on this channel, I encourage you to smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell in order for you to be notified whenever I post a brand new video like this one. Investment number 6, experiences. Life is short. According to the Bible, a human's lifespan is approximately 70 years. Other people die earlier than 70 years. Others are blessed with a few more years to add on to the 70 God has. All the authority to either add or subtract some of the years from your allocated 70. The one thing you want to do in order to live a happy life is to be thankful for every day that God wakes you up. Treasure every experience in life, whether positive or negative. The word of God says in all things we should be able to give thanks. We give thanks because we know that in all things, whether good or bad, God works for the good of those who love him and those who are called according to his purpose. Regardless of what is going on in your life, wake up with a smile. Pray to God, thanking Him for the day. Write down a gratitude list every morning, thanking God for His goodness upon your life. I discovered earlier in life that writing a gratitude list is one of the most powerful things you can do. It is one of the biggest investments in your life. Go out in the fields, breathe the fresh air, behold the wonders of God's creation on National Geographic. Take photos of whatever fascinates you. Go to a game park, go to a national reserve, go for that swimming session. Remember to have fun in life regardless of your busy schedule. Having fun is one of the ways of investing in yourself and living to your fullest. The experiences you gather while still alive are priceless. Things will be different in the afterlife, probably better than now. But the one thing I'm sure of is that you will greatly regret the amazing opportunities you missed to savor while still alive. Enjoy as you give thanks. Investment number 7. Relationships. Man can never exist as an island. You need people and people need you. Don't be on your mind constantly. Think of other people. Ask yourself, how can I reach out to help another individual who is in need like me? Think of different ways to bridge gaps between people. Love all the people in your life unconditionally. As you all know, the highest calling in any human's life is love. We are called to first love God and then to love our neighbors as we love ourselves. Ask yourself, what will I be remembered for when I die? Is it conserving the environment? Is it reaching out to the needy and giving them the basics, food, shelter, and clothing? Is it preaching the good news of Jesus Christ to them? The list is endless. You do not need to help in a big way, but every help you give will help in a big way. Avoid negative people like plague. Cultivate positivity as much as you can. Negativity will always pull you behind. Surround yourself with passionate and positive people. Within no time, you will also become passionate and positive. As they say, you are the average of the 5 people you spend most of your time with. That's it for this video, guys. See you again in the next video where I will be tackling another fantastic topic. If you are new here, kindly hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post another brand new video like this one. Remember to stay safe, to stay calm, to sanitize your hands, to sanitize your surfaces in order to keep this pandemic at bay. May God bless you. See you again in the next video. Peace.